Mm. Yeah, like we don't have a lot of cliffs, like high there in the Philippines. There are some at the north part, northern part of the Philippines, but along the east coast, it's all just beach, just flat, and not a lot of waves.
Well, the place where we are in the Philippines, there's an island out there, so it's not going to have much in the way of waves.
Yeah.
I wouldn't think, unless you go up or down the coast because you can't really swim here.
Yeah.
Unless you go way out.
Yeah.
That's what I was going to try to do yesterday.
Well,